Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I am Daedran. Chronix unveils tracklist for his upcoming Exile album. On Wednesday evening, the Grammy-nominated singer surprised fans, hinting at new music when he unveiled a tracklist with 17 songs to his Instagram page. Now, earlier today, Chronix reshared fan posts on Instagram story, suggesting that the project may be available in some markets. He also dropped track 9 from the project on his Instagram page. Early this year, while performing at Reggae Land in the United Kingdom, the singer announced that the project will be released later this year. Exile will mark Chronix's first album since his Grammy-nominated Chronology in 2017. Now, Jamaican Spring Queen Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce to be crowned by Serena Williams at Athlos on Friday in New York. Founder of Athlos, Alexis Ohanian, made the announcement on Thursday while speaking on CBS Mornings.
Something that was so important for us is not just having a special Tiffany crowning moment for Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce at our event, but also another GOAT, Serena Williams, is actually going to be the one doing the crowning.
He also shared that he found it important to stop and acknowledge the 3-time Olympic gold medalist and 10-time world champion's contribution to track and field.
It feels spiritually very right, and it aligns with what we're trying to build here, which will be the future of track and field. Really like a Formula One type model is where this league is going, and this is a great moment to pause, reflect on greatness, celebrate it.
Athlos is a women's professional track and field series that spotlight and empower female athletes with major events, big prize money, and a fresh competitive format.
I think for me, what I'm grateful for with Athlos is it gives female athletes a platform to really celebrate and to honor that.
DJ Nicholas shares testimony after being accepted in master's program at Emory University School of Medicine. Commit thy works unto the Lord and thy thoughts shall be established, reads the gospel singer's post to Instagram early this week as he broke the news to his fans of his admission while recalling his tenure at Calabar High School.
When I graduated or left Calabar High School in Kingston, Jamaica, I only had 2 subjects. And it wasn't because I couldn't have done better, but I was not focused. Fast forward 30 years later, I got accepted into Emory School of Medicine, Emory University, in their master's program. I wanted to know that this specific program is one of the hardest to get accepted in. Less than a 5% acceptance rate.
The news comes just 9 months after the singer graduated from the Broward College with a bachelor's degree in applied science. He shared that he'll continue to spread the gospel while furthering his studies.
I will always do music and ministry, but I'm happy I did not neglect the academic side of my life.
That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.